Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2008 Harley-Davidson DYNA Super Glide. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2008 Harley-Davidson DYNA Super Glide with 33,644 miles runs well. It's been upgraded with a Harley-Davidson seat, a Two Brothers Racing 2-to-1 exhaust, an S&S Stage 1 intake, handlebar risers, Heart-Lock grips, levers, a light bar, an LED headlight, LED taillight, MX-style rider footrest, a plate bracket, a Santoro shift linkage, and a Memphis Shades front fairing, and a chain and sprocket kit. We have installed new tires. Powered by a 96 cubic inch V twin engine, the Super Glide puts 92 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 4.7-gallon fuel capacity, the Super Glide has a 160 to 210-mile range. It has a 26.5-inch seat height and a 663-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, the Super Glide will need DOT-compliant turn signals, a chain guard, and passenger handholds. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, and both tires are new. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the exhaust pops on deceleration. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scrapes on the exhaust, a dent in the fuel tank, and a paint blemish on the rear fender. This bike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.